I know investing can get really intimidating really quick if you don't know where to start, and choosing the right broker is the first step to simplifying the process. But there are quite a lot to choose from, so today I'm gonna compare all the top brokers available in Australia so that you can decide which one is the best for you. The comparison will be based on the features, market you can invest in, and of course the fees. In general, there are two categories to choose from: trading services provided by the big banks such as CommSec, NZAC, Westpac, or you can go with alternatives such as Stake, Superhero, IG Trading, etc. Although they are highly trusted, personally I'm really not a big fan of big banks simply because of their high trading fees. As you can see, the trading fees are really high, ranging from $10 to $59 a trade, and on top of that they have an inactive fee, which is the fee that is charged if you do not trade as per their minimum trade guidelines. The foreign exchange fee of all the banks is pretty decent, and this is applied only when you are converting from Australian dollars to US dollars or vice versa. Now let's compare the alternative brokers. First on the list we have CMC Market with a trading fee of $11 for Australian shares, and for international shares it's free to trade. You have 0.6% foreign exchange fee and there is no inactive fees. All the Australian shares in CMC Market are just sponsored. This means that you are the legal owner of your stocks you buy, which are held under your own holder identification number. Whereas for issued sponsored shares, the stockbroker is the legal owner of the shares you buy, and if they happen to go bankrupt, they are limited to owing you anything. So okay, there is one downside to CMC Market though. The user interface is really terrible to navigate, and if you are new to investing, it can be really intimidating. Next we have IG Trading. The trading fee for Australian shares ranges from $5 to $8 depending on how many trades you execute, and they are not just sponsored. It's free to trade international shares and have a foreign exchange fee of 0.7%. Keep in mind that you'll be charged $50 per quarter as an inactive fee unless you trade 3 times per quarter or hold no open position. The user interface of the app is not quite user-friendly as others in the list. Next on the list we have Stake, which offers trading in Australian and US market only. The trading fee for Australian shares is $3, which are just sponsored, and $0 for US shares with a foreign exchange fee of 0.7%. There is no inactive fee, and the user interface is by far the most slick of all the trading apps I have used. Pearler is a relatively new broker but has successfully earned the brand name in the investing world. The trading fee of Australian and US shares is a flat $6.5 with a foreign exchange fee of 0.5%. The Australian shares are just sponsored and there is no inactive fee. But the most interesting feature about Pearler is the Auto Invest, by which you can automate your investing habits. You can automate to deposit a certain amount of money every month or whatever time frame you choose and invest into your selected portfolio of investment. This way, you are dollar cost averaging and mitigating the risk in the long run. Next, we have Superhero, which allows you to trade in Australian and US market only. The trading fees for Australian shares is of $5 and are not just sponsored. You can trade in US shares and ETFs for free, and the foreign exchange rate is 0.7%. There is no inactive fee. The app is very easy to navigate and you can earn Qantas points on eligible trades. And like Pearler, they have recently rolled out the Auto Invest feature. Lastly, we have SelfWealth, which allows you to trade in Australian as well as the international markets. The trading fee of SelfWealth is a flat $9.5 for all the shares and have a 0.6% foreign exchange fee. All the Australian shares are just sponsored and they do not have any inactive fee. The SelfWealth app is very user-friendly, but one of the drawbacks is that trading in the international market is comparatively expensive. So, which is the best investing app? Well, it depends. You can see that for me, Stake ticks all the boxes from having low fees to having great user interface, and also I'm only trading in US and Australian shares at the moment. By the way, if you sign up with the link in the description and deposit into your account, you'll get a free stock and $10 bonus to start your investing journey. But what if you want to invest in markets other than US and Australia? Well, then you can go with SelfWealth or CMC Market. Or if you like the idea of auto investing, Pearler or Superhero might be the right option for you. Now that you have picked the best investing app, it's time to invest. Click on this video to learn how to invest